Want to know how to install a Kanto TV mount? Well then keep watching for this step-by-step tutorial. Hi, my name is Kim with Kimagine DIY, where I hope to help you imagine the possibilities with DIYs and crafts. If that sounds like fun, consider subscribing. Now let's just jump right into this project. This wall is the location for the TV mount install. We have laid out the manual, paper template, and hardware it provides. Since this is a universal mount, it comes with 9 different types of screws to work with your TV. This particular mount can hold a 40-inch to a 90-inch screen. This is the first time I'm picking it up, and I was very caught off guard by how much it weighed. Here are the required tools listed in the manual.
Jeez, this is so much heavier.
They also list the tools needed if your installation requires wood studs or concrete. After I unbox all the parts, the next step is to select the TV screws and spacers. Here is an illustration of how the hardware should look once they are screwed into the TV. I chose to test my screws and spacers without the bracket first. On the left side, it shows a bad example, and on the right side is an example of what it should look like. Next, attach the mounting bracket to the TV. Add the washer to your screw first. Then line up the bracket starting with the bottom hole to know which top hole you will use. Reminder to grab your spacer if you need one. I like to hand tighten first, and then use a Phillips screwdriver or a low-volt screw gun. Keep the top screw loose enough to be able to line it up, and screw in the bottom one. Once both screws are in, you can tighten them all the way, and repeat the steps with the second bracket. Now, with a stud finder, find and mark the studs on the wall. I used my laser level to determine where the center of the template would lay. Once in position, tape the template to the wall. When drilling holes for large screws, it's always best to start small and work up to a larger drill bit. It also recommends using transparent tape over the hole you will drill into. Using the transparent tape helps hold the template down, but the main benefit is that it keeps your project area clean by catching the debris instead of it falling behind the template and onto the floor. Now grab your bolt and a washer. In the next step, you will need a second person. Thankfully, Tyler, my strong fiance, is here to help me. As best as you can, hand tighten the bolts into the wall. Then grab a socket wrench to crank it down. It took quite a bit of effort, and I wish I had a power tool to do this. Remember, do not tighten all the way until you have all your bolts in place. Now we need to prep the hardware to hang and secure your TV onto the mount. First, remove the middle screws from the bar. These will be used to attach the bars to the mounting plate. Then remove the screws on each end of the bars to be able to slide the bar into the mount. Reminder to place the screws in a safe place so they won't get lost. Next, slide the bar into the mount and center up the hole on the bar to the holes on the mounting plate. Then attach them together with the middle screws. Now you can attach the 4 screws to each end of the bars. Now you can hang your TV onto the mount. This TV just made it over the center bracket. We had slight trouble at first because we didn't realize the pivot mount was unlocked. Next is to secure the TV bracket onto the wall mount. This clip was provided to screw underneath each bracket 4 clips in total. Now to test it. This FMX3 mount can extend 28 inches from the wall and can swivel 88 degrees in either direction. You also have the ability to tilt your TV up or down. Finally, to organize your cables, you can use the provided cable management clips. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to see another video like this, you can click the card right up here or click here for an entire playlist. And I will see you in the next video.